Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold dollar, I definitely still think this is a 1, 2, 3, and we are approaching that 161.8, right around the 25.50 area, which has been my target for a very long time. It doesn't have to stop there. That's usually just a minimum target for a wave 3. I mean, it definitely could go quite a bit beyond that, but it does seem like a good place to start at wave 4 and potentially go back up again for a wave 5. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is what I am calling a wave 1 on the monthly. This is the wave 2, and that means this is all a subdivision of a wave 3. So 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and we are likely in that wave 5 of wave 3 right now. So taking that into consideration, let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely went beyond the 50%. So at this point, I think the 25.50 area is going to be pretty likely, which lines up perfectly with that 161 Fibonacci extension that I had on the monthly time frame. So I definitely am still very bullish on gold. I still think that we're in an uptrend. I still think that we're in likely a wave 5. And I definitely don't see any reason to think this wave 5 is over yet. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely still do not have a breaker structure to the downside, like I was saying yesterday. Until we actually get a breaker structure to the downside, I would be doing nothing but looking for longs on shorter time frames. I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. I'm looking for pullbacks. I'm looking for Fibonacci bounces to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, there's no breaker structure, so I am definitely still on the long side. We already made 1, 2, 3 waves down right here and a nice Fibonacci bounce yesterday, and what happened was it kind of failed and ended up going back down again. So maybe this is actually stretched out into an A, B, C, D, E correction. But to me, it doesn't really care. I don't really care what kind of correction it makes, as long as it does not break this low right here. All I know is that I will definitely try to go long at the end of 3-way pullbacks or 5-way pullbacks for potentially the continuation of this uptrend. If it goes down and breaks this low right here, then yeah, definitely I could turn into a seller. Otherwise, I am still only looking for longs, and I'm still only looking to go long on 3-wave or maybe even 5-way pullbacks. Do not fight these wave 3s. The dollar pairs are still all in a wave 3, and you definitely don't want to fight a wave 3 trend, because a wave 3 should be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.